True with Guns America, we are at SHOT Show 2024. I'm with Justin at the Warne booth. You guys know who these guys are. They've been making fantastic scope mounts and rings for a long, long time. I used to use them in competition all the time. They have recently come out, well, not recently, basically announced at the SHOT Show with a new version of their bipod. What do you call this, Justin?
This is the Skyline Lite.
Okay, so run us through the features here. Before you do that, let me tell these guys, don't shut this off and think, hey, this is going to be another $600 bipod. It's not. It looks like a $600 bipod.
It performs like a $600 bipod.
We're all sick of seeing the $600 bipods, right?
Yep.
So talk to us about what this does, and then we'll tell you what it costs.
Sure. Yeah, so it's very similar to our standard Skyline bipod that we came out with about 5 years ago now. We made some slight changes. In a lot of cases, we stripped some features out of it, but that was at the request of some of our customers. So one thing that it has 44 degrees of cant, but we eliminated the pan feature. There's a lot of shooters that do not like having a pan. I don't like having a pan personally. So, and in the back we have a tensioning lever to control the resistance in that canting ability.
So you can basically lock the pan if you don't want it.
Absolutely.
Level it and lock it. Yep.
So we also changed the head design, so it's actually an interchangeable head. It's going to be initially offered in a fixed Picatinny, a quick-detach Picatinny, and an Arca variant, but at the same time, this uses the interface. If you have an existing head that you like, it will fit this bipod.
So, like for example, I have a really right stuff one, and those mounting holes should fit on there.
It'll mount right to it.
Okay.
The leg position is similar to our standard Skyline bipod in that it will lock on one side it will lock at 0, 45, and 90 degrees. The other direction, it is a rapid deploy.
Get out of the way.
And you can flip this around, so you can pick which side you want. You want rapid deploy at the front?
So that you can just literally flip it down and you don't have to sit and push the button. That's genius. I love it.
You can have it locked in at those other positions. So you get the best of both worlds.
Love it.
The leg, you can go from a height of 7 inches to 13 inches total.
Okay.
And this is the other feature that is different from our standard Skyline is instead of having the ratcheting legs, it's just one lever and it's manual, but you can pull the leg out and move it to the position that you want. There's 14 different notch positions on each leg, so there's a ton of adjustability. The feet are our thread-in rubber feet, but if I remove these, if you have like an Atlas style foot that you like and you want to use, it's drilled out so you can use those style feet if you want to as well.
Okay, so one of the things I noticed when I first picked this up is it's really not very heavy.
Nope.
What does it weigh?
It's about 17 ounces.
17 ounces. Okay, so that's fantastic. When is this going to be available?
It's available now.
Okay, so it's shipping now.
It is shipping now.
You guys can be looking for that. Now, we promised you we'd tell you what it costs.
Yes.
So tell these folks what they're looking forward to on being able to get this.
It's a $200 bipod.
Okay, $200. It's a lot of features. This might be the best value in bipods right now. I'd have to think hard to think of another bipod for $200 that has all this.
Yeah, and it's all aluminum. It's made in the USA, lifetime warranty like everything else that we do. This is just as strong as our standard Skyline bipod, which we said was the strongest bipod you can get.
Right. Fantastic. All right, Justin, I appreciate you walking us through this. Where can people go for more information?
WarneScopeMounts.com. You can check out our Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You can check out any one of our dealers. We're carried pretty much everywhere, so easy to find.
So start watching for the new Warne bipod. Guys, we have lots more content coming from SHOT Show, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of it. Thanks for watching.